solve some question from exercise 3.2, which is based on the algebraic identities. These questions are based on the algebraic identities. We read different formula related to this chapter from in previous video. We discussed all the formula which are related to this question. So our first question is, if x minus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 5, find x square plus y square. So here the value is given x minus y and xy, which is x minus y is 8 and xy is equal to 5. We have to find x square plus y square. So in solution first, given that x minus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 5, to find, we have to find x square plus y square, the value of this x square plus y square. So we use which algebraic identities to find the value of x square plus y square? So we think that in any formula, if there is x square plus y square plus 2xy, or if 2xy, so what is the formula of x square plus y square plus 2xy? This is equal to x plus y whole square. But here is x minus y given, so we subtract here minus 2xy, and which is the formula of x minus y whole square. So we squaring, this is equation first and this is equation second. So squaring equation first and then we find the value of x square plus y square, where xy is given and x minus y given. So we write here squaring equation first on both sides. So x minus y whole square is equal to 8 square. Now what is the formula of x minus y whole square? It means a minus b whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 64. Here the value of xy is given, which is equal to 5. Putting the value of x square plus y square minus 2 into, putting the value of xy, which is equal to 5. So 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 64. So x square plus y square minus 10 is equal to 64, and which implies that x square plus y square is equal to 64. In left hand side the value is minus 10, it will be plus 10 when we transpose from LHS to RHS. So it will be plus 10. So which implies that x square plus y square is equal to 64 plus 10, 74. So this is answer. What we do? Square this x minus y is equal to 8 both sides. So x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy, where the value of xy is given. So we can easily find the value of x square plus y square, where xy is equal to 5. So 2xy means 2 into xy means 2 into 5 is equal to 8 square is 64. So 2 5 are 10, minus 10 will be plus 10, 64 plus 10, 74. Next question, question number 2. Here a square plus b square is equal to 13 given. Here a minus b is equal to 8 given, and here a square plus b square is equal to 13 given, and ab is equal to 6. And now we want to find the value of a plus b and second a minus b. So second question, we solve second question. A square plus b square plus 2ab. If we write a square plus b square plus 2ab, then it will be a plus b whole square. So given that a square plus b square is equal to 13 and the value of ab is also given 6. So we add plus 2ab on both sides. This is equation first. Adding 2ab on both sides, we get, so here we add a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here also 13 plus 2ab. If we add or subtract by the same number in any equation, so the equation will be balanced, means there is no change in inequality. So we add plus 2ab and here also plus 2ab. If we write plus 2ab here, so it will be minus 2ab. So plus 2ab minus 2ab both will be cancelled. So we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square, which is equal to 13 plus 2ab. What is the value of ab? AB is equal to 6 given, 2 into 6. So a plus b whole square is equal to 13 plus 12. A plus b whole square is equal to 25, and a plus b is equal to plus minus under root 25, or we can write a plus b is equal to plus minus 5. So this is answer. Why plus minus 5? Because if we put the value of a plus b either plus 5, then it will be 25, or the value of a plus b is minus 5, then it also 25. Plus 5 whole square is also 25, and minus 5 whole square is also 25, because minus 5 2 times itself multiply, so the value will be plus 25. Next, this is first solution a plus b, and second one a minus b. So here we add plus 2ab, now add minus 2ab on both sides, then we get a square plus b square minus 2ab, and which is equal to 13 minus 2ab, means subtracting 2ab on both sides. Subtracting in equation first, subtracting 2ab on both sides, we get, so we subtract a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to 13 minus 2ab, and we know the value of ab, but this whole is the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a minus b whole square, which is equal to 13 minus 2ab, means 2 into ab. ab is equal to 6. So 2 into 6, which is equal to 13 minus 12. According to the BODMAS rule, first we multiply, then subtract. So a minus b whole square is minus 1, and a minus b is equal to plus minus under root 1 square root of 1, which implies that a minus b is equal to plus minus square root of 1 is 1. So a minus b is plus minus 1 and a plus b is plus minus 5. So this is answer. In both case, one time we add 2ab on both sides and in second case we subtract 2ab on both sides. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, find x minus 1 upon x and x square minus 1 upon x square. So given here in question number 3, x plus given that x minus x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. We want to find x minus 1 upon x. So how can we find x minus 1 upon x? Here plus is given. So first of all, if we want to find x minus 1 upon x and when we square, so x square plus 1 upon a square plus b square minus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 upon x. So we can write x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. But to find x minus 1 upon x, we need x square plus 1 upon x square. So we can find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square from equation first, whatever given. So squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get x square plus 1 upon x square minus a plus b whole square. Squaring this both sides. So plus 2ab means 2. 2 into x into 1 upon x. So the value is 2 and which is equal to 36. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 36 and this is 1 and this is plus 2. When we transpose RHS, so it will be minus 2 which is equal to 34. This is equation second. Now we want to find x minus 1 upon x. So we square x minus, again squaring. We want to find x minus 1 upon x. So square this x minus 1 upon x. So which is equal to x square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is x and b is 1 upon x. So x and x both will be cancelled and the value of x square plus 1 upon x square we already find, that is 34 minus this is 2. So which is equal to 32. So the value of x minus 1 upon x, so whole square is 32. Then we can write x minus 1 upon x is plus minus square root of 32 and which is equal to plus minus. If we write square root of 32, so it will be 4 root 2. So the value of x minus 1 upon x is plus minus 4 root 2. 4 root 2 means 4 square, that is 16 into 2. 4 root 2 we can write in square root 4 into 4. Then it come out, when it is clear, then it come out outside of the square root and into 2. So 32 can be written as 4 root 2. So the value of x minus 1 upon x is 4 root 2. Second, x square minus 1 upon x square. Now second we have to find x square minus 1 upon x square. So this is on the base of the formula x square minus 1 upon x whole square, which is a square minus b square, and we know very well that the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So we can write a plus x plus 1 upon x, in other bracket x minus 1 upon x, and we put the value of x plus 1 upon x which is given. X plus 1 upon x already given, which is equal to 6, and x minus 1 upon x 1 upon x plus minus 4 root 2. So we can write 6 4 is 24 root 2. This is answer. Next, fourth question, if x minus 2 upon x is equal to 3, find x cube minus 8 upon x cube. Solution 4. It is given that x minus 2 upon x is equal to 3 and we have to find x cube minus 8 upon x cube. So we know one formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in other bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This is formula a cube minus b cube, and we have to find x cube minus, we can write to find x cube minus 8 is the cube of 2 and x cube 2 upon x cube. This is also a cube minus b cube. So if we want to find a cube minus b cube, so we need a minus b, that is x minus a minus b, and a square plus b square also. So first of all we square this. Squaring x minus 2 upon x is equal to 3 both sides. So when we square this, it will be a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square. A square means x square, b means 2 upon x means 4x square plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, x into 2 upon x, which is equal to 3 square is 9, which implies that x square plus 4 by x square minus this x will be cancelled, 2 to the 4, which is equal to 9, which implies that x square plus 4 upon x square is equal to 9 plus 4, which is equal to 13. So this is the value of x square plus 4 upon x square is equal to 13. This is equation second. This was first equation. To find this x cube minus 8 upon x cube, first we square this to find the value of x square plus 4 upon x square, means a square plus b square. Once again we use the formula a cube minus b cube. We have to find x cube minus 2 upon x whole cube. This is x cube minus 8 upon x cube, and we write the formula a minus b, means x minus 2 upon x. This is a minus b, and other formula a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a square plus ab means x into 2 upon x plus b square 2 upon x whole square. So the value of x minus 2 upon x already given, and x square plus 2 upon x whole square, we can write x minus 2 upon x in other bracket x square plus 2 square is 4 upon x square plus x and x cancel, a square plus ab plus b square. So here 2. Okay, so here the value of x minus 2 upon x is given, which is equal to 3 into x square plus 4 upon x square, this value given, x square plus 4 upon x square is equal to 13 plus 2. So which is equal to 3 into 13 plus 2 15, which is equal to 45. So the value of x square x cube minus 8 upon x cube is equal to 45. Here the value of x cube minus 2 upon x whole cube means 8 upon x cube. So we can write here x cube minus 8 upon x cube is equal to 45. So other question also related to this formula, algebraic identities. Here a plus 2b is equal to 5. When we cube both sides, then we can easily prove this. A cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab is equal to 125. Similarly, you try to solve question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. And if you have any problem, so I will discuss in next video.